students, in last video we have solved the problems related to integral type, that is 1 upon a plus b cos square x with respect to x, or integration of the type 1 upon a plus b sin square x with respect to x, or 1 upon a plus b cos square x plus sin square x with respect to x. Okay, so we have solved such type of problem, means we have studied about this method of integration. Okay students, now in this video, now we have to study about the method of integration, that is integrals of the form 1 upon a plus b sin x with respect to x, integration of 1 upon a plus b cos of x with respect to x, integration of 1 upon a sin x plus b cos x with respect to x, integration of 1 upon a plus b sin x plus c cos x with respect to x. Okay students, we are solving the problems from the exercise 3.2b. In this exercise there are number of methods, that means by using 5 to 6 method we have to solve the problem of this exercise. Okay, up to this we have studied about 3 or 4 methods. Now the 3 methods are remaining, just we have started one method and 2 methods are also remaining from this exercise. Okay, so let us study about this method. Now how to solve such type of problems, let us see that. So in every case, means each type of integral we have to substitute, that is tan of x by 2 equal to t. And students, you know that whatever is the substitution we differentiate with respect to x. That's why the differentiation of tan of x by 2 is sec square of x by 2 into differentiation of x by 2 is 1 by 2, and that is equal to dt by dx. Now shift this dx term to that side and this term to that. Hence we get dx equal to 2 dt upon sec square x by 2. But students, we know the formula, that is 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. By using this formula we can write this is equal to 2 dt, this is equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus tan square x by 2, Okay, put the value of tan square x by 2 from here, that is from this put the value of, and hence dx equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, dx equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. Okay student, this is the value of dx in this integral, every type of integral. Now the value of dx we have found out. Now again there is one term, that is sin x or cos x. So what is the value of sin x and what is the value of cos x, that now let us find out. Students, you know that is the formula for sin of x in terms of tan. Okay, you know the formula, that is sin of 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, by using this formula we can find out sin of x, and therefore sin of x equal to 2 sin of x by 2 put the value only. Here half angle formula, here is the sin x, that's why x by 2 is there, okay. And 1 plus 2 sin the formula is there, that is sin of x equal to 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. 1 plus tan square x by 2. Okay students, put the values, you will get sin of x equal to tan x by 2 equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square. This is the value for the sin x. Okay students, similarly for the cos x, for the formula of cos x. You know the formula for cos of 2 theta? The formula for cos of 2 theta, that is cos of 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. The formula is there. Okay students, and by using this formula we can find out that is cos of x. Okay, half here 2 theta, here cos of x, the single formula, single angle, that is cos of x equal to, instead of here theta, that will be x by 2. Half angle, that is 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. Okay students, so let us put the value of tan of x by 2. Tan of x by 2 is t from here. Tan of x by 2 equal to t from here, and here we will get cos of x equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Okay students, so while solving this type of problems, we have to put, that is tan of x by 2 equal to t. By using this, the value of dx is 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. Value of sin x 2t upon 1 plus t square, and value of cos x is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Okay students, so while solving the problems, let us write down this value. For solving this type of problem, put tan of x by 2 equal to t, and that's why dx equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. Then sin x equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square, and cos x equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. You must learn this formula students, then and then you can solve. Otherwise you have to do all these calculations while solving the problem, and that will be wastage of your time. Okay, so please remember all these things, okay, while solving the problem. Now let us solve the problem. The problem is that evaluate integration of 1 upon 3 plus 2 sin x with respect to x. Okay students, so to solve this problem, so put tan of x by 2 equal to t, only to write all these things. Tan of x by 2 equal to t. This implies the value of dx. We have already found out the value. The value of dx for this is 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. Okay, this is the value of dx. And what is the value of sin x? The value of sin x equal to, that is 2t upon 1 plus t square. Okay students, so write down all these values, and for if the problem is asked for 3 marks, then all these steps means the values we have written here for this 1 mark is that. Okay students, and hence now the integration I equal to, what is your integration? That is 1 upon 3 plus 2 sine x with respect to x, and that is equal to the value of dx is 2 dt upon 1 plus t square divided by 3 plus 2 into, put the value of sine x, that is 2t upon 1 plus t square. Okay students, and now this is equal to integration of 2 dt upon 1 plus t square divided by, so here the LCM will be 1 plus t square at denominator, that's why multiply 3 with 1 plus t square, and therefore 3 into 1 is 3 plus 3 into t square plus 3t square. Now plus 2 into 2, that is plus 4t and upon 1 plus t square. Okay students, the values get cancelled, and here the integration I equal to 2 dt upon, that is 3t square plus 4t plus 3, and this is our integration. This is the special type of integral. Okay students, now let us common out 3 from the denominator. The 2 is constant here. Okay, that is 2 upon, also common out 3 from the denominator, we will get 2 by 3, that is t square plus 4 by 3t plus 3 by 3 is 1 plus 3 by 3 is 1. Okay students, and now let us adjust the term for completing square. That is, now we have t square plus 4 by 3t plus 1. We know that for completing the square, we use the formula, that is the middle term square. This is middle term square, that is 4 by 3, that is b by a whole square. Okay, suppose this is, you know that the formula, we are just revise the formula. If this is the quadratic equation or quadratic expression x square plus bx plus c, then we can write this as x square plus b by a x plus c. Then we adjust the term, that is b by a whole square upon 4. This is b by a whole square upon 4. b by a whole square upon 4 by using this. Also in last some videos I have explained you the method. So this is equal to the term, the adjustment of the term is 16 by 9. Square of 4 is 16. Square of 3 is 9 divided by 4. And therefore we have to adjust the term 4 by 9. We have to adjust the term 4 by 9. Okay students. Now we can adjust the term, that is t square upon 4 by 3t plus 1. This is equal to t square plus 4 by 3t plus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9. We have adjusted the term 4 by 9, that's why plus or minus and plus 1. Now in bracket 1, this is the complete square, and in another bracket we have to calculate the value. Okay students, now this is equal to t plus 2 by 3 whole square, and calculation of this, that is plus 5 by 9, Okay students, and therefore t square plus 4 by 3t plus 1. This is equal to t plus 2 by 3 whole square plus 5 can be written as, we can write 5 as root 5 upon 3 whole square. Okay, and now integration I equal to students, this is your integration. Okay, this is your integration. We are solving this integration. Okay, and this is 2 by 3 integration of 1 upon t square plus 4 by 3t plus 1 with respect to t equal to this 2 by 3 as a constant, integration of 1 upon this is, we can write this the term as in this way. Okay, and this is t plus 2 by 3 whole square plus root 5 by 3 whole square. Okay students, with respect to t. Okay, in this way we have to adjust the term. Now this is of the form, the integration is of the form integration of 1 upon a square plus x square with respect to x by using formula 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus constant of integration c. So what is the value of a? This is the value of a and this is the value of x. Okay students, and therefore the integration of 2 by 3, integration I equal to 2 by 3 1 upon t plus 2 by 3 whole square plus root 5 by 3 whole square with respect to t is 1 by a. So the constant value as it is 2 by 3 into 1 by a is 1 by root 5 by 3, 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. X is t plus 2 by 3 divided by root 5 by 3 plus constant of integration c. Okay students, and this 3 get cancelled here. This is equal to 2 upon root 5 tan inverse of, simplify the term, this is 3t plus 2 upon root 5, that 3 get cancelled plus constant of integration c, resubstitute the value of t, and therefore the integration of 1 upon 3 plus 2 sine of x with respect to x is 2 upon root 5 tan inverse of 3, put the value of t is tan of x by 2 plus 2 upon root 5 plus constant of integration c, and hence this is the solution for the integral. Okay students, now let us solve another example. Another example is that evaluate the integration, that is evaluate integration of 1 upon 2 plus cos x minus sin x with respect to x. Okay, 1 upon 2 plus cos x minus sin x with respect to x. Okay students, so we know that according to this, okay, put tan of x by 2 equal to t, dx equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, sin of x equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square, and cos x equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. By using this, we have to solve the problem by using all these. Okay students, so the problem is that now for this problem put tan of x by 2 equal to t. Okay, then what is the value of dx? We have found out dx equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. Then what is the value of cos x? Cos x is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. What is the value of sin x? The value of sin x is 2t upon 1 plus t square. Okay students, by using all this value, we have to simplify the above integral so that it will be easily integrable. Okay students, now let us take the integral, that is the integration r equal to integration of 1 upon 2 plus cos x minus sin x with respect to x equal to, that is integration of 1 upon, put the value of dx. The value of dx is 2 dt. We will write here 2 dt upon 1 plus t square upon 2 plus the value of cos x. Value of cos x is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square minus the value of sin x is 2t upon 1 plus t square with respect to t. Okay students, now simplify the terms, that is equal to integration of 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, okay, divided by. So here at denominator we have to take the LCM, that is 1 plus t square, because 2 by 1 is there. So 2 into 1 multiply with 1 plus t square. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2t square plus 1 minus t square minus 2t upon 1 plus t square. So this 1 plus t square term get cancelled and we will get, that is integration of 2 dt upon 2t square minus t square, that is t square, then minus 2t plus 3. This is the simplification. Okay students, and now this is of the special integral type. Now we have to adjust the term by for completing square, that is t square minus 2t plus 3. The adjustment is, that is 4 by 4, that is square of 2, that is 4 by 4, and that's why it is 1. We have to adjust the term 1, and therefore t square minus 2t plus 1 minus 1, this is the adjustment, plus 3. Okay, and now this is equal to, this is in one bracket, that is t minus 1 whole square and plus 2, and hence we can write this t square minus 2t plus 3, this is equal to t minus 1 whole square plus root 2 whole square. Okay, this is the adjustment of the term. Okay, and therefore the integration take this constant 2 at outside of the integral, that is 2 dt upon the integration of t square minus 2t plus 3 with respect to t. We can adjust the term like this. Okay students, in this way we have adjusted. Now instead of writing this, write this way. And therefore this is equal to this 2 as a constant, that is 1 upon t minus 2 whole square plus root 2 whole square. Okay student, and this is of the form x square plus a square. This is of the form integration with respect to x, 1 upon a square plus x square, that is 1 upon a, that is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, tan inverse of x by a plus constant of integration c. So this is the value of a and this is the value of x. Okay, and therefore the integration of 1 upon t minus 1 whole square and root of 2 whole square, that is 1 by a, this 2 is constant, 1 by a means 1 upon root 2 tan inverse of x by a. What is the value of x is t minus 1 upon root 2 plus constant of integration c. So 2 upon root 2, this is equal to root 2, okay, into tan inverse of, students resubstitute the value of t. What is the value of t? T is tan of x by 2, and this is tan inverse of tan of x by 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus constant of integration c, and this is the integration of 1 upon 2 plus cos x minus sin x with respect to x. Okay students, this is the integration. In this way we have to solve the problem. Okay students, now let us take another example. The example is that evaluate integration of integration of 1 upon 3 plus 2 sin x plus cos x with respect to x. Students, remember that we are solving the problems from exercise 3.2b, question number 2, and in question number 2, the sub question 4, there is correction for the problem, that is instead of minus sign, please correct it plus. Okay, 3 plus 2 sin x plus cos x. Evaluate this. Okay, so students, again according to the last, that is put tan of x by 2 equal to t, then the value of dx equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, then sin x equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square, the value of cos x equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Okay students, so put all this value in above integral, we will get. Okay, therefore the integral, that is integration of 1 upon 3 plus 2 sin x plus cos x with respect to x, we will get. Now put the value of dx equal to 2 dt upon 1 plus t square upon 3 plus 2 into the sine of x is 2t upon 1 plus t square plus cos of x 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Okay students, at denominator take LCM as 1 plus t square. So this is integration of 2 dt upon 1 plus t square divided by 3 plus 3t square plus 3 into 2 into 2, that is 4t plus 1 minus t square. Okay, and divided by 1 plus t square. So that get cancelled, and now we have integration, that is I 2 dt upon 3t square minus t square, that is 2t square, 4 plus 4t and plus 4. Okay students, now common out 2 from the denominator, that's why common out 2 we have t square plus 2t plus 2. Okay students, these 2 get cancelled, and now our integration I equal to, that is dt upon t square plus 2t plus 2. Now students, let us consider this expression t square plus 2t plus 2. Adjust it for completing the square, adjust the term. For completing the square, the adjustment is, that is b by a is, its square is 4 upon 4, and that's why we have to adjust the term 1. Okay, and therefore this is t square plus 2t plus 1 minus 1 and plus 2. This is our adjusted term. Now in the one bracket and in another bracket, and this is t plus 1 whole square and plus 1. Okay, and this is plus 1. This is the expression for t square plus 2t plus 2. Okay, we have adjusted like this. And now the integration is that is integration of 1 upon t square plus 2t plus 2. We have adjusted this like this, and hence this is equal to 1 upon t plus 1 whole square. This is equal to, this is therefore integration of this term equal to integration of t plus 1 whole square plus 1 means whole square of 1 with respect to t. Okay students, and this is integration of the type 1 upon a square plus x square with respect to x, and this is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. This is a and the term is x, and hence 1 by a means 1 by 1 tan inverse of t plus 1 upon 1 plus constant of integration c, and now resubstitute the value of t, and hence the integration of 1 upon 3 plus 2 sin x plus cos x with respect to x is 1 by 1 is 1 tan inverse of, put the value of t is, that is tan of x by 2 plus 1 plus constant of integration c. Okay, this is the solution for given integration. Okay students, so take one problem as a homework, solve it, that is integration of 1 upon 4 minus 5 cos x with respect to x. and the another problem is, that is, this is first problem, and the second problem is that evaluate integration of 1 upon cos x minus sin x with respect to x. These are the two problems that you have to solve as a homework. Please solve it and send it to me on my WhatsApp. Okay.